It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 12th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures lowering a bit as we head through the week, although readings will still stay pretty close to or maybe slightly above seasonal averages. What about some rain chances? Any opportunity for precipitation either here in the valley or statewide? We'll talk about that and everything else going on. But first, check out that almanac from yesterday. Another warm day here in the valley. 93 degrees was the afternoon high, 64 the morning low. And that is well above those climatological averages. We're well behind on rainfall, and that will stay the case for some time now. And as we look outside right now, here at 6:30 a.m., scattered clouds through the valley, sitting at 69 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 33, relative humidity 26%, winds are light, and the barometer 29.69 inches and rising. Temperatures this morning, it's in the 50s at Fort McDowell and Goldfield, otherwise low 60s to around 70 through much of the metro. The upper air look shows a mainly zonal flow here across the southwest, so very quiet weather this morning, but troughing will begin to develop over the Great Basin with time. Here's the watch warning map, very quiet for mid-April, still some winter weather advisories across parts of Montana and the Dakotas, and a high wind watch around Daggett, California for tomorrow. That's about it. The convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around San Angelo up toward Fort Worth, with a marginal risk for some of the adjacent areas. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, maybe some light totals way over in the White Mountains of our state. There could be some rain in eastern Arizona later in the weekend as the pattern looks to get a little bit more active. We'll talk about that as we dive into modeling right now. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Again, zonal flow here, but you do start to see evidence of a trough developing to the north of us with ridging just off the west coast. So down at the surface today, some clouds around this morning. We should become mostly sunny by this afternoon. High temperatures, upper 80s and low 90s. Tonight, we're clear, dry, overnight lows in the 50s and low 60s. And then tomorrow, troughing begins to rapidly develop over the Great Basin, and we see the pressure gradient tightening up to the west of us. So it will turn very windy across Southern California up into much of Nevada, the Mojave Desert, the Great Basin, and across Utah and points to the north and west from there. But here in the valley, just some breeziness tomorrow afternoon. I expect some winds, maybe to gust as high as 20 miles per hour in Phoenix. Nothing significant, though. And high temperatures mid-80s to near 90. Should be in the mid-80s or so, give or take, on Wednesday with some increase in high clouds. Thursday, low to mid-80s with partly sunny sky. Friday, we're in the mid to upper 80s with partly sunny sky. And then over the weekend, model solutions vary just a little bit here, but the GFS is calling for a fairly elongated wave to drop into Arizona. Most of the dynamic support and moisture stays to the east of the valley. Across eastern Arizona and New Mexico, could be some widely scattered showers, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm there. Significant precipitation not expected, but something to watch for both Saturday and Sunday. Here in the valley, we would just see some high clouds if this solution verifies. We're calling for high temperatures in the upper 80s to maybe around 90 or so, but it is possible if the GFS solution as advertised right now pans out, we could be a few degrees cooler than that, and it would be breezy to locally windy at times. Then here's a week from today. This is Monday the 19th, an elongated ridge along the west coast and extending up into Alaska and the Bering Sea, and a trough moving into the southern plain states. We'd have a dry northwesterly flow here and temperatures pretty seasonal. And then looking out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 21st, high pressure here across the southwest, and that looks rather warm and dry. All right, let's look at rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks coming off of the European ensemble. Yeah, that's right. Crickets. Absolutely nothing. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, we'll see a bit of a cooling trend for this week. And then maybe warming it up as we get into the weekend and next week. High temperatures could be getting back up into the middle 90s. Maybe warmer than that. We'll see. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool out there, and have yourselves a wonderful Monday.